ज़ेलेंस्की का बयान सामने आया है। हम जंग नहीं चाहते थे, हम हवाई हमले से लड़ रहे हैं। हमने हथियार डालने की रूस की मांग नहीं मांगी है। हम पर लगातार गोलाबारी हो रही है। बच्चों पर भी गोलाबारी की गई। तो यूक्रेन के सदर ज़ेलेंस्की लगातार आवाम से खिताब कर रहे हैं। उनके वीडियोस मंजर आम पर आ रहे हैं जिसमें वो रूस का मुकाबला करते हुए दिखाई दे रहे हैं। अपने बयानों के जरिए भी वो तमाम तर बातें पहुंचा रहे हैं। उनका कहना है कि रूसी हमले में 50 बच्चों की मौत हो चुकी है। हम इस जंग में बड़े साबित हुए, ये भी ज़ेलेंस्की का कहना है। हम झुकेंगे नहीं, हारेंगे नहीं। लगातार यूक्रेन के सदर ज़ेलेंस्की ये बात कहते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं कि वो रूस से मुकाबला करते रहेंगे। रूस ने कई शर्तें रख दी हैं, लेकिन फिर भी यूक्रेन बोल रहा है कि वो नहीं झुकेगा, हारेगा नहीं। तो यूक्रेन के सदर ज़ेलेंस्की के जरिए ये तमाम तर बातें सामने आ रही हैं। ज़ेलेंस्की का सीधे तौर पर यही कहना है कि वो आखिर तक रूस का मुकाबला करेंगे। तो रूसी हमले में 50 बच्चों की मौत की बात कही है ज़ेलेंस्की ने।
For us now is to be or not to be. You all know this Shakespearean question. But now I can give you a definitive answer. It's definitely yes to be. We will not give up and we will not lose. We will fight till the end at sea, in the air. We will continue fighting for our land, whatever the cost. We will fight on the banks of different rivers like Dnieper, and we are looking for your help, for the help of the civilized countries. And I'm very grateful to you, Boris. Please increase the pressure of sanctions against this country, and please recognize this country as a terrorist state, and please make sure that our Ukrainian skies are safe. The war that we didn't start and we didn't want it. Everybody woke up, people, children, the entire Ukraine, and since that we have not been sleeping. We have all been fighting 13 days of this struggle. On day 1 at 4 o'clock in the morning, we were attacked by cruise missiles. On day 2, we have been fighting airstrikes when Russian forces demanded that we lay down the arms. However, we did continue fighting, and our army showed us who we are, and we have been able to see who are people and who are beasts. On day 4, we remained humane even on day 4 of this terrible war. On day 5, the terror against us was going on against children, against cities, and constant shelling have been taking place around the country, including hospitals, and that didn't break us. On day 8, we have seen Russian tanks hitting the atomic power station, and everybody got to understand that this is the terror against everyone. On day 9, there was a meeting of NATO countries without the result that we were looking for. We did feel that, unfortunately, that the alliances don't work properly always. And on day 11, the children and cities were being hit, and hospitals as well, with the rockets and constant shelling. And on day 12, the losses of Russian army exceeded 10,000 people killed, and also including the general, and that gave us hope that there will be some kind of responsibility for those people in front of the court. In the city of Mariupol that was attacked by the Russian force, a child was killed. They do not allow any food, any water. people do not have water over there. Over 13 days of this situation, over 50 children have been killed. Ukraine were not looking to have this fall. The Ukraine have not been looking to become big, but they have become big over the days of this war. We have to fight the helicopters, rockets,